Dozens of social media personalities who were invited to the lower house snubbed the hearing on fake news today. Instead, some of them ran to the Supreme Court to argue that the hearing violated their right to freedom of speech. Marian Enriquez with a big story.
Of the 40 social media personalities invited to this House investigation on the proliferation of fake news and disinformation, only 3 showed up. Most submitted excuse letters, with some saying they were out of the country. Others questioned the legitimacy of the House probe, invoking their freedom of speech. This did not sit well with Committee on Human Rights Chairman and Manila 6th District Representative Benny Abante.
Ang tatapang nila Ang tatapang sa pagmumura, nang wala tayong kalaban-laban. Ngayon, pag kaharap dito, hindi makaharap dito. Mga takot din pala yung mga yan Humarap ka dito.
Abang Lingkod Party List Representative Stephen Paduan said the letters were not a free pass. He then made a motion to issue show-cause orders to the content creators who did not state a valid reason for their absence. Among them were former Press Secretary Attorney Trixie Cruz Angeles, Mark Anthony Lopez, Crisette Laureta Chu, Aaron Peña, and Elizabeth Joey Cruz. Attorney Cruz Angeles, who outright rejected the committee's invitation, filed a temporary restraining order on the hearing before the Supreme Court on behalf of the group.
Ito ay paraan para malimit yung space o yung democratic space para makapagsalita at makapagpahayag. So mahalaga na dalhin namin sa tamang venue at ang venue na ito ay ang Korte Suprema.
In a statement, Attorney Harry Roque said he was serving as legal counsel to the group and insisted that the House investigation is meant to take down the Dutertes and their allies. Roque himself has skipped House inquiries and remains at large with an outstanding arrest warrant and detention order from the Quad Committee in his name. Roque also called the lower chamber a kangaroo court, claiming that his clients have already been prejudged in the privileged speech of Surigao del Norte Representative Ace Barbers. The former presidential spokesperson added there is no other remedy but to find relief with the Supreme Court. But Barber stressed that the investigation is not about curtailing freedom of speech.
Wala hong curtailment o suppression ng freedom of speech dito. Kaya nga kayo inimbita rito Diba? Kaya kayo inimbita dito para makapagpahayag din kayo.
Paduano also moved to refer Cruz Angeles' case to the House Legal Department for a possible disbarment case. Despite being snubbed by most of those invited, the TRICOM continued the hearing, where a proposed code of conduct for content creators was discussed. Veteran journal Ellen Tordesillas of Verifiles highlighted the importance of having ethical standards on social media.
I'm worried sometimes that we take the lack of truthfulness parang casually for granted. So I think we should, yun ang pinakaano ko is, I think we should strengthen our appreciation for truthfulness. Merong mga journalists na nagbablog, di ba? But blogging does not make you a journalist.
For News 5, I'm Marian Enriquez. We are One News.